How to send CV on WhatsApp. So here is a simple step-by-step guide on how to do so. First of all you have to do is open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your WhatsApp account. And also go to the chat of the person or group you want to send the CV to. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then once you tap on the plus icon, all you have to do is tap on the documents option available from there. Now, once you tap on the documents, you'll get to see options available. Choose from files or choose from photo and video. Now, simply tap on any where your CV is available. I tapped on the files because my CV is available in here. Now, locate the CV and simply tap on it and tap on the done option available. And simply tap on the send green icon available at the bottom right. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.